And now on to the shop floor, guys. So if we walk into shop floor, we basically see the three work centers that we put together in the building. So we start in fabrication in building one, go to coating, and then to assembly building. And you can kind of see those lined up here. If I jump into fabrication, you'll see the order that we created for Southwest right here in the system. And if I, the guys in that building will see this on, I'm assuming, a big TV someplace in the facility. So they'll know the units that they're working on. And my thought is, after that's done and they've finished the work order 77, they'll mark as done. It'll move out of fabrication and into coating. So you saw that change to 2 here. If I click into coating, you'll see 77 came along for the ride, and it's basically listed over here in the system. And if I look at the manufacturer's order from here, you'll see that it moved to coating for a stage as well. So this is following the same sort of process that the shop floor is following the entire time. And if I look in manufacturing and go to the manufacturing orders themselves, you can see them here and see my 2 orders listed here. So the engineers will use this board to figure out where manufacturer's orders are. But the guys in the floor, the shop floor, are really just going to work straight from shop floor. They'll work through 77 again, and when they finish that, they'll mark that as done. We'll see it move out of building 2 and automatically show up on the TV over in building 1. And finally, when they get to that and mark that as done, close the production. That closes that manufacturing order and gets it ready to invoice, for the final invoice, and gets it ready for all the accounting treatment, which we're not going to go into today. That's what we've put together. The manufacturer build for the engineers is a reasonably technical job and kind of takes some amount of expertise. But our goal was on the shop floor to make it as simple as we possibly could for the men in the buildings, because they're responsible for building these machines, not necessarily working on a computer. All right, that's what we got. Thanks, everybody.